Bell from BFix Tech. So today I got one delivery, my MacBook Air M1 from a shop. So I will do unboxing and see how it goes. It's a 2020 model. Hopefully it is okay. It is 8GB RAM and 256GB SSD. Hopefully, I'm hoping it is okay. It is from a good online service shop they have in. Yes, so probably I'm hoping it is good. Let's see what's inside. Oh, box looks nice. Oh. Looks nice, you can see. Good. Oh yeah. So here you go. What's inside? Put it in the back. Laptop and a charger bridge, USB-C cable. And then the laptop itself. It's nearly in fresh condition. Nearly, I would say. Nearly in fresh condition. Looks nice. Okay, let's see what is inside. Should be able to see it now. Sorry for the trouble. Yeah, it's a very clean, nice looking MacBook Air. Is it turning on? Not turning on ready. Okay, let me put some charge on it. Well, here go my other laptop. This charger. I'll try to put some battery, charge on it. Yep, it's turning on. That's a good sign. Okay. 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 Okay, let's see. System information. 8GB MacBook Air. There's a model number. It's pretty fast, decent. What I'll check about this mic. Yeah, it's genuine M1 8GB. I need to check the storage information. Yeah, it's correct. Storage is okay. Okay guys, that's it. I think overall looks okay. I will see the charge is 0%, low power, so power source, power adapter, battery. I have to check the battery information. Battery, health, okay. Normal says perfect. This is a nice laptop. Okay, thank you guys. Please like and subscribe for like this video. All right, bye.